Hey, in this quick and straight to the point tutorial, I'm going to show you where to find your card PIN on the Revolut application and also your card details. So for this, let's open the Revolut application. I will type my PIN really quick. To find these card details, including the PIN, you'll have to press on this icon from the top right. Looks like a card, and now you'll find here your Revolut cards. You can have many. You will have to press on the one on which you have the money. As an example, I will select this one because on this one I have the money, and this one I'm using for purchases. Now if you want to find just the card details, you will find here show details. If you press on this, you'll find here the card number, expiration date, and the CVV right here. But you also need sometimes the card PIN. Now if you want to find the card PIN, the 4 digits number, you'll have to press here on settings. Let's press on settings. Scroll down until you locate PIN right here. Press on view PIN, and in this way you'll find here the 4 digits number, which you'll use maybe to withdraw money, or maybe just to enter your, I don't know, your card in an ATM. You'll need this PIN. So that's how to find the PIN number on Revolut, on the Revolut application, and also how to find the card details on Revolut. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out, and thanks a lot for watching.